Hey guys, I'm Shashir from Elbatecec again with another video here. So in this video, let's see how to have a recycle bin in our Android phones. So let's get started. First go to Play Store and type dumpster in the search box. And then click on the dumpster icon and install dumpster. This app will work as a recycle bin in your Android phones. Once installed, just open the app. The app interface looks like this. You can then upgrade to premium version if you want some additional features. Now let's try this by deleting some files. As you can see here, the deleted file came here. You can just restore it as it is. Now just click on the file and click restore. That's it. Now you have successfully restored your deleted file. Like this, you can restore any file. Even you can restore deleted apps. That's the specialty of this app. Thanks for watching guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Elbatecec. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye bye.